Hi there, I'm going to give you a quick tour of the different ways you can post on a Padlet. So the first thing I'm going to do is click on this plus sign, add post to this column, and I can start typing directly in here. If I want to show that I'm the author, I can type my name as the title and then write something underneath. These ellipses will give you all of the choices. These are just your first four, so I'm going to go ahead and click on that. Here we can pick any file from our computer and upload it right into the Padlet. Here we can link to any website. Here we can do a Google search and then enter our results into the Padlet. We can take a photo. We can make a video, record our voice, record our screen, draw directly on the canvas, add a map, or we can link to another Padlet.